deployment.
Good. Aku turun. Aku. Oh, aduh. Aduh.
Enemy soldier incoming. Prep time's over. Now you deploy to the war zone. Resurgence. Survive the timer to secure redeployment. Earn points. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemies dropping into the AO. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Get ready. You're redeploying. Enemy UAV overhead. Gas is moving. Enemy soldier incoming. Additional target added. Enemy counter UAV inbound. Enemy counter UAV inbound. Taking fire. 25. Well done. Loadout drop headed your way.
Tango eliminated.
I'm sorry, bro.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Yes.
Overhead.
You a lucky bastard, bro.
Go get your revenge. Gas is closing in.
I'm under fire.
Targets evaded. Bounty contract's been pulled.
No puede ser.
That's what you get.
Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV is online. Hostile UAV in the area.
Yes, fuck. No way. See, that pistol is a bitch.
You're back on the station. Go get after it. Enemy UAV is online. Fire sale is active. Buy station prices are adjusted. Got an extra valuable opportunity here. Don't miss your shot. Get ready. Resurgence window is about to close. Gas is inbound. prices. Enemy dropping into the AO. Resurgence has been deactivated. This is the end game. Supply crates have been restocked. Load up. Only 10 left. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV is online. We've got gas moving in.
Bro just sniped me twice in a row. Huh.
Hostile UAV in the area. You are 1 of 10 remaining. Not bad. The enemy took that one, but we'll get them back.
Damn.
Playtime's over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone. Survive the countdown to earn redeployment. Secure kills to speed up the redeployed. Trucks on the way. Enemy soldier incoming. 25 remaining. We're returning you to the front.
What? Yeah, I'm gonna go and load up.
Time for vengeance. You're redeploying.
UAV. Breakdowns.
Season timeline expired. UAV exiting the AO.
Enemy UAV overhead. Gas is closing in.
Yes, kawalan siya, mom.
You're back on the station. Go get after it. Precision airstrike standing by. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
UAV available to tasking.
Marco, get a UAV in the air.
Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced.
Priority tasking request received. UAV exiting AO.
Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy dropping into the AO. Resurgence is about to end. Make it count.
Kawalan kira ako pwede dalawa. Kinatsing, bro.
Stand by for redeployment. Fire sales done. Prices are back to normal. Spy drones in your AO. Handle them. Enemy UAV overhead. Resurgence is closed. No more second chances. Enemy soldier incoming. There's an increased payout for this job. Be sure to collect. Lost eyes on the objective. Contract failed. We've got 10 squads active in the field.
You know that fucking car 90 is pissing me off.
starts with the best nutrition. Whether it's fresh, frozen, raw, or freeze-dried, Peter's Pet Supplies stays stocked with the best brands for every budget. Not only is a raw diet packed with high-quality proteins, essential amino
No,
and
wait,
fats,
fuck that.
fresh and natural ingredients also mean better digestion, healthier skin, and fewer allergies. Shop online or stop by your neighborhood Peter's Pet Supply to discover the best nutrition for your best bud.
Why we cannot edit it up? You stupid fuck. Give me now.
De apodos para tu causa el enano, el chato, el bajito. Número 5, ayudante de Santa. Esta es una gran referencia que es una persona.
Damn, I'm a ghost. I'm a ghost.
Stay alive till time expires.
I'm a ghost. What the hell is that? Bumblebee. 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 Never see last year. Bambaleo, bambaleo. Bambaleo, bambaleo. Another one? Did I get the kill? No, you got the kill. Let's see. Oh, that's the same dude, bro. What the? That's the same dude. Ain't no.
Go get your revenge.
He's scared, bro.
Enemy UAV is online. Hostile UAV in the area.
Over here, bro.
Gracias por la misión. Sobrevuelo de UAV.
What the fuck? What happened, bro? I'm getting dying over and over, bro. I gotta focus.
You're losing ground. Move it. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy counter UAV inbound. You've got a loadout drop inbound. Only 25 left. Keep up the good work.
Yo, mister, where are you?
Enemy UAV is on.
Damn. The guy gonna scare me.
We've got gas moving in. Enemy UAV.
I don't know why you choose to come to me, bro. I do not know.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Buy station prices are
Oh, this, what the? What? Hmm? Go clean it. Why you say it only? Go clean it. Hurry up. Hey, get down, Yumina. Oh my god!
You were one of 25 remaining. Defeat is only a mindset. Shake it off and keep pushing. Stand by. Enemy dropping into the AO. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. All stations, green light. We're deploying to the war zone.
Eso lan kiernan patati na tekotael. Naman na ba na eh. Whew, it is so hard right now, y'all. I need chat, I need you guys. Help me, help me, help.
Resurgence. Survive the countdown to earn redeployment. Secure kills to speed up the fight. Enemy soldier incoming.
Wow. I'm so sucked. Hey, the way I run earlier.
You're back on the station. Go get after it.
All right, focus, focus. It's all good. It's all good.
Gas is inbound.
Hey, what the fuck happened, bro? What the fuck? Like, I keep switching my shit. Now I'm fucked up.
Time for vengeance. You're redeploying.
This is where it ends for you.
Loadout drop headed your way. Enemy dropping into the AR.
Oh.
Enemy UAV is online.
Yala.
We're returning you to the front. Earn this.
Dai, mga kumpia nga gula. Medyo pwede match na hindi fire. Ne! Funky eh. Ba, nanereklabe na.
All right.
All stations, this is Shadow 01. Deployment from the war zone has been authorized. Resurgence. Survive the timer to secure redeployment. Earn points to speed up the countdown.
Assault pack available.
Enemy counter UAV inbound. soldier incoming. Get ready, you're redeployed.
Ya pelan.
Keep your head up and return to base to debrief.
I'm scared, and I'm trying to do nervous too, so I'm having to trying to figure out where I am.
stations, you're green to go. Stand by for deployment. Resurgence. Stay alive till time expires to secure redeployment. More points you earn, faster that. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch your skies. Hostile UAV in the area.
Yeah, what the freak? I cannot look at that, bro. No, I can't.
You'll get another chance. Weapons free. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy counter UAV inbound. Enemy dropping into the AO. Gas is closing in. Enemy soldier incoming.
Motherfucker wanna lay down and sleep.
Time for vengeance. You're redeploying. You've got a loadout drop inbound. Enemy fan turret active. Enemy counter UAV inbound. UAV is online. Gas is inbound. Enemy UAV overhead.
Get down.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced.
Taking stem.
Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV.
Oi? What the fuck, bro?
Get back to the station. Go get after it.
Yes.
One of 25.
You know what? Fuck you.
Hard that.
Ah! Oh.
Enemy dropping into the AR.
Oh.
Playtime's over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
Andy.
Resurgence. Survive the countdown to earn redeployment. Kill.
Never give up!
Soldier incoming.
Wee.
Hostiles have established a stand. Stand by for redeployment. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Kailangan sol, wala. Yeah.
Go get your revenge. Additional target added while time remains. Enemy UAV overhead. All bounty targets are KIA. Well done. Losing ground. Moving.
Wee. Telepon saka.
Clean kill.
Enemy soldier incoming. You're getting another chance. Weapons free. Friendly loadout drops on the way. Enemy UAV is online. Hostile UAV in the area. Loadout drop headed your way.
Priority task.
Đấy, có cái quần lan kia.
Get ready. You're redeploying. To the front. Earn this. Biosale is active. Buy station prices are adjusted. Enemy dropping into the AO. Down to 10. Win this thing. We've got 10 squads active in the field. Get ready. Resurgence window is about to close. You've got a loadout drop inbound. You've got gas moving in. Fire sales over. Adjusting prices.
Taking stem. I'm good.
Be advised, resurgence is no longer active. This is for keeps. Contract's worth more than usual, so get it done, soldier. squads in the top 5. 5 squads still operational in the AO.
UAV available for tasking.
Requesting recon above.
UAV is bingo fuel, returning to base.
3 squads left in the war zone. Stay alert.
Yes, you fucking bitch.
Valiant effort. Keep your head up and return to base for debrief.
Woo! Meme. No touch. Put. No. Do that. Itu yote. Close.
Use this time for some
Chino! Chino, are you in the party?
Sound like Liam.
enemy dropping into the AO.
Chino, are you gonna have a kill?
All stations green light. We're deploying to the war zone. Resurgence. Survive to redeploy to your teammates. bring them back fast.
Alright, where are we going? Oh my god, everybody always pick control. Better be seeing everybody dropping kills in. Going down here.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Hey, what's on here? Fucking hate this shit.
Yeah, we had to. I'm going pink. See, I should have followed pink over here.
Get ready. You're redeploying. Your squad mates back on station. Good work.
Everybody spread out!
Spread out. Spread your cheeks. Fuck you mean spread out? Spread that cheek, boy. I like that ass.
No Diddy, please.
No, bro. Don't worry. It won't be a Diddy party with no Diddy.
Sound turret established.
You guys want me to drop money or buy? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Money's that buy. Pick it up like good boys. Oh my god, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here.
They're snugging.
Get him, get him, get him, get him right here. He's right here. I'm just joking.
On your feet.
Got him. Aw. Oh yeah. Stick that knife in me. Oh my gosh.
It's knocking on the door. Somebody?
Where's the loadout at?
Marked up all safe zone locations on your map, active or not.
We ain't got the loadout?
Oh. Where's the loadout, Kofi? He just bought his gun.
You said...
No, he just bought his own gun, bro. He's just... Oh, alright, never mind.
You loser.
Yeah!
Alakma! 10 squads active in the field.
I'm just gonna stay on the same setting. I'll get switching it up, like.
Hostile UAV in the area. Loadout drop headed your way.
Oh shit, yellow, come on, yellow.
Shut your yellow ass up.
Enemy UAV is online.
So you guys just bring the guns so they get enough good guns over there?
Faster to make up for it. You have reinforcements inbound.
Oh, so
Enemy destroyed. Use your TAC map to hunt down the rest of them.
I'm about to fire that bitch ass up.
Yeah, right. Pull up then. Oh my god, that's a sniper? It's a what? Look at it.
get them back.
One shot, bro. What the? That's crazy. Sprint, you be up forever, Sprint. Whoo, listen.
Hardcore search and destroy. Weapons free, people. Make them hate us.
Yes, walang shit, bro. What the fuck going on, bro?
Wipe yourself down and prep for redeploy. Fight ain't over. Hardcore search and destroy. MCC is live. Assume all contacts are hot.
Why is like this, bro? I cannot run fast, like. Shoot! What the fuck? You guys just stand there and just look at him kill me, motherfucker. I mean, I look straight, you look on the side, bro. I look straight, you look in the fucking right, and you didn't even shoot on the right, bitch.
I'm the one that killed him, you idiot.
I know, that's what I'm saying, bro. You... Alright,
I was facing left.
Alright, Rambo, fuck you.
MTC to the red. It's now or never. ahead and defend the objective.
For the ones who get it done, the most important part is the one you need now. And the best partner is the one who can deliver. That's why millions of maintenance and repair pros trust Grainger, because we have professional-grade supplies for every industry, even hard-to-find products. And we have same-day pickup and next-day delivery on most orders. But most importantly, we have an unwavering commitment to help keep you up and running. Call, click Grainger.com, or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.
Where's Jimmy now? Good TV. What's up, yo?
You've got a really brave sister. Actually, I've got two really brave sisters. Poppy, I'm really sorry about before. It's okay. Our story's complicated. Who cares if it's not perfect? As long as we're together. I should have come with you. I was just to braid my hair. Yeah. I learned from the best. Oh my gosh, it's so fantastic, amazing. Oh no.
No, Yumina. Yo, are you guys playing? Sick.
You guys all right? Yes, we're not done yet. Let's roll!
More time at home means more belly rubs, more playtime, and more moments that matter. That's why Feeder's Pet Supply makes it easy to get everything you need delivered right to your door.
Yo, what the fuck is this?
Frozen foods, toys, treats, and accessories. You can order online at feederspetsupply.com and skip the trip to the store. Our home delivery service brings the best for your pets straight to your door. So you can spend more time doing what you love most, being with them. Shop now and place your home delivery order at feederspetsupply.com.
Are you okay?
I can't move. I'm terrified.
Okay, deep breath. Deep breath. You will not feel afraid. Stop.
Okay.
What kind of sniper? Oh no, bro. That's snipers for fucking newbies. No way we're gonna use that. Yes, kawalan. Yeah.
Create more moments of joy by
Jeremy. Yeah. Why you use the armor shield, you fuck? Fuck you. Fucking suck ass motherfucker. Why the fuck we use that shit, bro? Man, fuck you, bro. You wanna use armor shield, nigga? Use that armor, nigga. Use that armor, bro.
Okay, we're going to keep hopping, but this time on one foot. Switch. Hop on the other foot. Let's spin around in a circle. Twirl. 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 And slide. 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 And slide. It must be time to freeze. Get ready to swim in the water. Swim with me.
Too easy, fucker.
Robotic. The robot. I am a robot. Robot. Robot freeze. It's time to slow motion fan. Slow motion. Slow motion. Yeah. Slower. Get ready to slow motion.
Fuck you guys. Ain't nobody wanna play with you suck ass motherfuckers.
But not for long, because it's time to
They suck as fuck. This one of you shield. Oh, he takes time. Hey, 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 hey. I want some. Okay, alcohol. It's time for me.
The bubble is so fat. Oh God. It's
We're heading to the war zone. Get geared up.
You got them back though. Ready are you?
Enemy soldier incoming. Prep time's over. Now you deploy to the war zone.
Not yet my time.
Hey, give me phone. Eat first.
Resurgence. Survive and your team can redeploy. Eliminate targets to bring them back faster. Enemy UAV overhead.
Con này là Ê, Tam Tam
It's kawalan. It's a I'm eating, bro. I'm eating right now. Go.
Come in.
You're getting another chance. Weapons free. Enemy UAV is online.
Look at the delay, bro.
You've got time for another
I shot long time ago.
Enemy soldier incoming. Primary objective complete. All targets eliminated. LTDR inbound.
Heck, what the fuck, bro? Like, are you fucking serious? Like, my fucking shit is delayed like a motherfucker, you fuck.
Hostile UAV in the area. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work.
What's up, YouTube? Thank you for tuning. I'm sorry, I'm really sucked, but
Do this, your son.
I'm still trying.
Do this.
Until I become better, bro. I ain't gonna let this clown scare me, bro. I ain't gonna let this clown scare me, bro. Ah! What? Fuck! Did you see the pressure, bro?
Ain't no way, bro.
Give me ain't no way, bro. You die, bro.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Sit.
Ain't no way, ain't no way. Say it again, bro. Say it no way again.
opportunity acquired. Weapons free.
Wait.
Contract work more than usual, so get it done, soldier.
Hey, kill him, bro. What the freak? Oh, he's flying. He's on top, He's on top, top.
Target eliminated. Excellent work. Additional target added while time remains.
Oh, I don't know where the fuck he is. Oh, he left. What? He left or something?
Hey, no.
Alright, I'm buying loadout, y'all.
Precision airstrike available. You've got a loadout stuff in there.
You ain't gonna give me like that, bro.
What? We are good.
Run away, motherfucker, like. That sucks.
Solid squad is outside the safe zone. Enemy precision airstrike. Find cover. Copy that. Longbow 3-1
Oh my god, 2 kills. What you trying to do, bro? Trying to run away from me?
Clear another target during contract timeline. Additional contract online. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy dropping into the AR. Your squad mate back on station. Good work. Special orders proceeding. You're doing normal operation.
Oh my god, I didn't expect that. No. I didn't expect it to come that way, bro. You make me do it. Not to make me do it.
You're right. It won't make it. But I will. If you want
You're done. Hey.
Get ready. Resurgence window is about to close. You're back on station. Go get after it. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV is online. Hostile UAV in the area. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
Please climb up, please. Hell.
To the safe zone. Leave no one behind. You have reinforcements inbound.
Got you now, you lowlife. No, sir. I'm not a loser. You did what you needed to do. And there is nothing you can do or say to change that.
Fire sales done. Prices are back to normal.
Oh, I could do.
Ayan kayo. That's Sug. I'm Sug. No, I'm not Sug. I'm the GOAT.
No more second chance. There's an increased payout for this job. Be sure to collect. Secure those locations. Be advised, you still have squad mates outside the safe zone. 5 squads still operational in the AR. Supply box secured. Move to the next one. Enemy airstrike in the area. 2 supply boxes secured. 1 remaining.
Activating scrambler.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Precision airstrike ready for tasking. Hostile airstrike incoming.
Why don't you just die so we can buy you? What the fuck? Fuck is that? Stupid ass move you got going on.
9 left. Keep the pressure on. 3 squads left in the war zone. Stay alert. Enemy UAV overhead. Precision airstrike standing by. Contract failed. You lost the objective. Enemy precision airstrike. Find cover.
Oh, I'm hot. Woo! Yo, I'm hot. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit hot. Give me your phone, Devon. I click this. I gotta clip it. Man, bro. Thank you for the support, y'all. That's for you, YouTube. That's for you. That win is for you. You hear me now? I've been trying to give you guys a win. There we go. No, we ain't gonna just start over. Yeah. Charge is on. You gotta go charge here. Wala man, get fucked, we are fucked. There. 윤지 앞수관 누가 윤지 앞수관 누가 보관 I'm not scared.
Enemy dropping into the AO. All stations green light. We're deploying to the war zone. Resurgence. Survive to redeploy fallen teammates. Kill to bring them back fast.
Alright. Get it again. Walking through the fall race, walking through the fall race. I'm not scared.
We're all looking forward.
Fuck, you should let me kill them.
Why I gotta let you kill my partner, bro?
I sure they fuse in to the
that motherfucker thought he was gonna kill you. Control. Let's go control, bro. I'm on top. Nobody's on top.
Nobody's on top.
It's.
You got one on the
Beast,
field.
bro. Oh, I'm sorry. I gotta mute you. I'm sorry, Beast. Your mic is echoing. They're on the ship. They're on the ship. Hey, there's two? Bro, what the fuck are you guys came to researching for, bro? Fucking hiding? Look at them two corners, bro. Alright. Coming back, partner. Come on, partner. Come on, partner. No damn well I need you. Hey, those guys over there, it's not good. They're hiding. You gotta help Blue. Hey, here! Fuck! Come on, Blue, I came to help you, you listen, bro. Oh, you can hear me loud and clear. Nice. People here, they have a loadout. They have a loadout. Danger, danger, danger. Heck, what the fuck? Yo, that gun always gives me problem, bro. Fuck that gun, bro. I ain't gonna trust it no more. That stupid ass gun always gives me that shit. It's alright, it's alright. Calm down now. Woo! This Call of Duty is a brain headache. Come on, what the fuck? Whew. How the fuck he came at the right time? I just landed, bro. What the fuck? Hey, Walankia. So who the fuck is that motherfucker who shot me, bro? Let me see. Oh my god, bro. Some fucking newbie. I let a newbie kill me, bro. Fucking newbie.
squad mates are in the safe zone. Gas is closing in. You have reinforcements inbound.
Hell, what the fuck? Yo, look at it. He's shooting at my feet, bro. My fucking knee. Call of Duty, you see that? What a shame, Call of Duty. What a shame for your stupid ass. Engineering stupid ass. Oh, just let him win, cause he spent more money than that guy. Oh my god, bro. That's all you guys do, bro. You let the guy spend more money on the game. Always win, bro. Stupid ass, goofy ass organization you got on, bro. If you kill me, fuck you, you know? You a fucking bitch just waiting for us to land.
Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. Heads up, the jailbreak is active. Watch for sky blocks. Your squad made it to the safe zone. Gas is inbound.
You run, go what the fuck, bro? Sometimes this stupid ass shit stuff, bro. Like you cannot even run. And you put restore and everything on this setting and it still suck. I'm sorry, bro. We're not stupid as fuck, okay? You're the one who killed me, huh? Fuck. Hey, look at your stupid ass. He almost killed you. What you gonna say? Say thank you. Stupid ass.
Head to the safe zone.
Yeah, what's up, y'all?
Enemy dropping into the AR. You've made it to the top.
Yes! One more, bro. What? Oh my god. Please tell me my team did something, bro. Well, my team actually did something. I'm not far away from there, so. Hey, the land way. I don't live in There. No? No mo wild dollar. Wild dollar. Hả? Không biết mang đại mang nha. Nếu như nó không nó rice rồi cái món, anh hả? All right. Chat. Anybody want to join me on the chat? I love playing with these spawn beings, but I don't like it when they don't want me to do, like, for example, like they don't want me to use shield, only sniper. And when this match begin and he keep dying, one of them, he's gonna start fucking putting the shield on and run like a bitch. That's why they keep me out, cause that guy using a shield, so I just use my SMG on his ass, cause I ain't trying to play like that, bro. I ain't got no time for that. But you know, I love to play with you guys, but if you don't like to get smacked just the way you kill me, bro, don't do it to me, okay? Thank you very much. Come again the next day or tomorrow.
Gotta roll down them windows, girl.
You're talking about rolling down those windows. Who you talking to, bro? No, Cornelius. Cornelius, who you talking to, go? Oh, wow. Nobody join me? Nope. I'm not gonna go alone, bro. No damn well I'm doing that. I hope I should go. Oh! Oh no. What? Why is it so slow, bro? It's the last one? Oh, that's the last one. That's why. Oh, that's sad. I'm about to finish it. That's sad, bro. What to finish that bitch? Yo, white's only me, bro. Nobody wanna join me? What the hell? Nobody wanna join me on that, bro. That's all. Cause I didn't boot it. I like it. Operator change. This operating getting smacked too much. So we need to find a new operator. Oh, so that's the girlfriend of the guy that's getting smacked? Yeah. So, what about this guy? What the fuck he got? He got 30. Oh shit, that's the new guy right there. Hey, what about the dead soldier, bro? That motherfucker is a dead soldier. He is a zombie. Alright, let's see what he got. What? What? Hawa? Uma? I want kiss. Hey son, I want kiss, hey son. Awful. Awful. Thank you. Hey, go put the you in the TV. Where remote? Find it. Hey, what is this? Just let me play, please. Call of Duty, just let me play. Like, you guys are playing too much. Like, we spend all that money to buy this game and then still lag and not enjoy it. You gotta let me enjoy it, Call of Duty. Give me the NASA network. Give me the NASA network, bro. I'm tripping. What's about Nangamir's?
The youngest dude on the entire team, he's not even scratching the surface of his ability. And the fact that he's got an entire year.
Hey, what did I say? Where's the remote for Yumina TV?
I think all guns are about the same.
Well, I think it's gonna be online.
The real thing's coming through. Enemy soldier incoming.
I just keep getting killed by 3 people sitting in a room. That's it. Damn, you gonna steal them all?
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Playtime's over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone. We've got 10 squads active in the field.
Y'all can do that. Go do that.
Alright, man.
We're gonna land over here.
The choose
Y'all go over there.
Get it. What are you guys doing?
There's 3 of them.
Why? I'm going to blue mark. Blue mark. Blue mark.
I'm gonna go kill this whole team by myself over here.
Alright. Wish you the best luck, partner. You try to do what? What are you trying to do? Fuck! Man, I smack-a-roni the shit out of him, bro. Now, where the fuck are you guys, bro?
Right here, bud. I mean, if you're gonna follow me, you need to fucking help me.
I ain't helping you, bro. And I ain't following you, too.
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the guy that's right behind
Oh,
me.
shit. Oh, man. Now, you know damn well I'm going down to the guy who killed me. Because I ain't tripping.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Didn't see me, you fuck.
Kill confirmed. We've located the rest of them.
Oh, you thought you were gonna get me.
My friend is alive and
The squad mate's back on station. Good work.
yeah, I'm starved.
He's back over here.
Kid.
Any antelope?
No, listen, kid, if you want to live with us, you have to eat like us.
Most importantly, not eat us.
Only 25 left. Keep up the good work.
That's what happened when you kill me, bro. I'm gonna keep coming back for you.
No responsibility.
Go get after it.
Come on.
Still active, soldier. Step it up. Good deal. Marking the rest of that squad on your tag map. Get home.
What are you shooting at?
Enemy UAV overhead. Drones are retreating. Don't let them leave with our intel. Hostile UAV in the area. Alright, you're done for. Contract complete. Good work. Loadout drop. Headed your way.
One more time. Oh, no, I think we
Yeah, I seen him.
Now let's leave them alone. Eyes on enemy destination marked.
Precision airstrike ready for tasking. Recon flyover. Recon drones are on patrol. Check your tac map for danger zones. Copy that. 131 on
Shop the Black History Month collection now at target.com/black beyond measure.
The all-new Power Plus family from Indian Motorcycle. With distinctive American style and improved...
Aerial recon is overhead. Relocate. You're in scanning range. Enemy has your location. You're the supply box. Location's a must on your tag map.
That's messed up.
Gosh damn you, rat bastard! Golly, I just can't do nothing. They definitely ain't no bots in this lobby.
Yeah, we got the serial kills, bro. That's fucked up.
Stand by for redeployment.
If I got serial kills, bro, I leave the lobby, bro.
Enemy UAV is online.
He's 7 years old.
Recon drones
Oh shit.
You're compromised.
Well, it doesn't matter, bro.
Well done. Hostile airstrike incoming.
No, you're right. He should go back to Fortnite. You're kidding me, bro.
You didn't even see that shit?
I've never seen it. He's coming right here. Get him, bird! Oh, there's 4 of them coming.
Where? Yeah,
They just
I
can't
thought
do
it just
nothing
went.
without each other, huh?
Oh, this gun is bad, bro. This gun is
Oh, you're
bad.
dead as fuck.
Bro, that gun
Should
is
have stayed
bad.
up.
25 remain. The enemy took that one, but we'll get them back.
Got to be kidding me.
I didn't know where you was at.
This is how I know I'm not good, bro. If I'm good, I shoot out about 10 kills every match. So because I'm not fucking this. Ooh, that gets me over already, bro. Kasi mayroon na ba yung Call of Duty ngayon? Alright, last match, YouTube, and then smoke break.
work. So you know, for a little bit.
Yeah, right.
Night time. Night.
All stations, we are green to go. Stand by for deployment.
Come, come.
Resurgence. Survive and your team can redeploy. Eliminate targets to bring them back.
Get this in the comments. What's up? What's up? Yo, I'm gonna play with you. I'm gonna play with you.
Go get your revenge. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Squad went AWOL. Resurgence timer reduced. You have reinforcements.
Fuck!
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Flanky,
Hostiles have established the SAM turret. You'll get another chance. Weapons free. All squad mates are in the safe zone. You've got gas moving in. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy counter UAV inbound. Enemy UAV is online. Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Hostile UAV in the area.
Es wallahi yum.
You've got a loadout drop inbound. Stand by for redeployment.
Jawad is in charge.
Payout for this job.
Mommy, take it.
Enemy movement in the AO.
You're back on station. Go get after it. Time for vengeance. You're redeploying. Your squad mates have redeployed. Well done. Deserter left your squad. We'll redeploy you faster to make up for it. It's all on you. Stay alive so your squad can redeploy. Your squad mates back on station. Good work. Enemy soldier incoming. Stand to you, soldier. Stay sharp. Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced. Enemy UAV overhead. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting. Resurgence window is ending. Watch your six. Enemy dropping into the AO. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV is online. Be advised, you still have squad mates outside the safe zone. Kill confirmed. We've located the rest of them. to normal. Enemy UAV overhead. Be advised, resurgence is no longer active. This is for troops. Got an extra valuable opportunity here. Don't miss your shot. Precision airstrike available. Ground, moving. 5 squads still operational in the AO. UAV is online. Hostile UAV in the area. Resurgence is closed. No more second chances. SAM turret active. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Gas is inbound. Enemy counter UAV inbound. Pass on my grid. Enemy airstrike in the area. This is Longbow 3-1. Target acquired. Strike inbound. You've made it to the top 10. That stings. Medic! 3 squads left in the war zone. Stay alive. There's an increased payout for this job. Be sure to collect. One of 5 remaining.
Talkie. Where's my Talkie?
Hmm?
Where's Talkie?
I don't know, that's Mommy.
Mommy can't be here now. I'm not sleepy.
Bebé, sí, sí, o sea. Bebé, ya era.
You brat.
It's time. Sorry, in a hurry.
With Asana, you can drive clarity and impact at scale by connecting workflow workflows to company-wide goals. Asana, a smarter way to work. For free.
Tocar colacar.
Jesus Christ.
Enemy soldier incoming. All stations, this is Shadow 01. Deployment to the war zone has been authorized. Resurgence. Stay alive to keep the squad inside.
Move on.
What a Karen!
Get down, get down, get down. Look.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Let's go!
Friendly loadout.
We're heading up for some Halloween fun.
More weird and strict than usual.
What do we do?
We've got 10 squads active in the field. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. We're returning you to the front. Earn this. Overhead.
Yeah, boy.
This is the second floor.
Eso, lan. Fuck!
Gee.
Get ready. You're redeploying. You've got a loadout drop inbound. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work. You're getting another chance. Weapons free. Enemy UAV is online.
We made it.
Gee.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Hey, what now? I cannot see these motherfuckers.
Sorry for disturbing. But personally, here.
Enemy soldier incoming. Resurging. Go get your revenge. Contract fulfilled. Great job.
You're not sleeping.
It's KIA. Way to step up when we needed you. Additional contract online. Additional target added where time remains. Your squad's in the safe zone. You've got gas moving in.
Wow.
I ask you to join in and repeat these vows. Sleep before 8 p.m.
Sleep before 8 p.m.
Don't beg us to time at 10.
Wala ni kira kami. What?
standing, soldier. Survive until your squad can redeploy. Survive squad still operational in the AO.
L.G. The mysterious man took his glasses